If we search the meaning of the term bill, it is defined as a printed or written statement of the cost for the goods or services delivered or to be delivered. The term laid means to put the cargo onto a ship or other form of goods carrier. Thus, a bill of lading in shipping is a record of the traded goods which have been received on board. It is a document that establishes an agreement between a shipper and a transportation company for the transportation of goods. Transportation company or carrier issues these records to the shipper. A bill of lading indicates a particular carrier through which the goods have been placed to their final destination and the conditions for transporting the shipment to its final destination. Land, ocean, and air are the means used for bills of lading. The importance of bills of lading. The carrier need not require all originals to be submitted before delivery. It is therefore essential that the exporter retains control over the full set of originals until payment is effected, or a bill of exchange is accepted, or some other assurance of payment has been made to the exporter. The bill of lading, therefore, is a very important issue when making shipments to move the cargo or freight from one point to the other. On one hand, it is a contract between a carrier and shipper of the transportation of goods, and on the other hand, it serves as a receipt issued by a carrier to the shipper. Hence, the bill of lading is considered a legal document which provides all the vital details to the shipper and the carrier to conveniently process the freight shipment through different maritime countries and invoice it correctly. The original copy of the bill of lading is provided to the carrier, and a copy of the same should be ascribed to the packaged freight. A bill of lading template can be downloaded from this link here. Negotiable and non-negotiable bill of lading. Negotiable bill of lading. In this type of bill, a clear instruction is provided to make the delivery of goods to anyone having the possession of the original copy of the bill, which itself signifies the title and control of the freight. In this type of bill, the buyer or receiver or their agent has to acquire and present an original copy of the bill of lading at the discharge port. In the absence of original bill copy, the freight will not be released. Non-negotiable bill. This type of bill of lading fixes a specific consignee name of the receiver to whom the freights will be shipped and delivered. It, however, does not itself serve the ownership of the goods. Under this type of bill, the assigned receiver or buyer can claim the cargo by confirming their identity. Purpose of bill of lading. The bill of lading document is meant to act as a transport document enacting as the evidence of the contract of carriage of goods. A negotiable bill of lading has the following legal qualities. It acts as a piece of evidence for the carriage contract containing the terms and conditions under which the goods transportation will be carried out. It represents a receipt which endorses that the carrier has received the cargo as per the contract and the goods are received in good condition. It can be a document of title permitting the sale of goods in transit and the raising of financial credit. However, most of the local and international systems does not consider a bill of lading as a document of title. It provides the right for the delivery to be made to the possessor. Types of bill of lading. The bill of lading can be classified on the basis of how it is executed and method of operation. On the basis of execution. Straight bill of lading. It reveals that the goods are consigned to a specified person and it is not negotiable, free from existing equities. This type of bill is known as a non-negotiable bill of lading, and from the banker's point of view, this type of bill of lading is not safe. This type of bill is prominently used for military cargo. Open bill of lading. This is a negotiable bill of lading where the name of consignee can be changed with consignee's signature and thus transferred. This can be transferred multiple times. Switch bill of lading is a type of open bill of lading. Bearer bill of lading. It states that delivery shall be made to whosoever holds the bill. Such bill may be created explicitly, or it is an order bill that fails to nominate the consignee, whether in its original form or through an endorsement in blank. They are used for bulk cargo that is turned over in small amounts. Order bill of lading. This bill expresses words to make the bill negotiable. This means that delivery is to be made to the further order of the consignee using the words such as delivery to A Limited or to orders or assigns. The cargo is only delivered to the bona fide holder of the bill of lading, and it has to be verified by an agent who issues delivery order and the verified bill of lading. The order bill of lading is the most modern type bill, which is widely used all over the world. The order bill of lading ensures the safety of delivery of cargo to a bona fide holder of bill of lading. Since the ship visits several foreign ports, where the language practice procedures may be different, the master might be inconvenienced during the delivery of the cargo. People might fraudulently collect the cargo. To overcome this difficulty and avoid future cargo claims and litigations, the consignee or the holder is required to surrender the bill of lading to the ship's agent at the discharge port, who will verify the genuineness of the bill of lading. When satisfied, the agent will issue a delivery order and the verified bill of lading. Now, any person can collect the cargo from the ship by surrendering the bill of lading and the delivery note to the ship. On the basis of operation. Received for shipment bill of lading. This bill is sent from agent or charterer to shipper. The endorsement of this bill ensures that the carrier has received goods but does not confirm it is on board of the assigned vessel. Shipped bill of lading. This bill of lading is issued when cargo is loaded on board. It binds the ship owner and the shipper directly. A clean bill of lading is one which states that the cargo has been loaded on board in the ship in apparent good order and condition. Such a bill of lading will not bear a clause or notation which explicitly declares a defective condition of goods or the packaging. Through bill of lading. This bill of lading is a legal document that allows for direct delivery of cargo from point A to point B. The bill allows transportation of goods both within domestic borders and through international shipment, as it serves as a receipt for the cargo, a contract of carriage, and sometimes title for the products as well. Combined transport bill of lading. This bill gives information about cargo being transported in large containers by sea and land, that is, through multimodal transport. Dirty bill of lading. If the ship owner raises an objection about the condition of the cargo is in good order, he or she can include a clause thereby causing the bill of lading to be claused or dirty, along with the remarks as per the finding of the cargo condition. Example: torn packing, broken cargo, shortage in quantity of goods, etc. Electronic bill of lading. With the modernization of shipping industry as a whole, the bill of lading is also modernized to the electronic bill of lading to solve the issues occurring while using a paper bill. The problem faced when using a paper bill of lading are: the paper bill uses printed bills of lading which are costly. The bill has to be couriered, which is an additional cost. The slow movement of the paper-based bill of lading. Carriers are obligated to release the goods only on the production of an original bill of lading, which, if not received in time, will slow the process. The paper bill can be forged, and delivery of goods against a forged bill of lading will lead to a huge loss. The bill of lading comprises of following details: the complete name and official address of the receiver and the shipper, the purchase orders or special reference or invoice numbers, which helps the shipper and the consignee to release the goods for pickup or accepted at delivery, the date of the pickup, which acts as a reference to track the freight, the details of the items including the number of units being shipped, weight and dimension of the product, along with the nature of the cargo being carried, that is, dangerous goods, etc. If the goods are hazardous, Department of Transportation hazardous material designation is tagged, and it is cited on the bill to follow special rules and requirements while shipping. The details of the packaging used, such as crates, pallets, cartons, pills, drums, etc. Any special notes or instruction for the carrier. If you have any questions or suggestions, please drop your comments below.